So we see where the Jamaica football referee's body is jumping and shouting in celebration because, as promised, a spectator who directed threatening and abusive language at the match officials in the weekend game between Waterhouse and Tivoli was expelled from the ground. According to the head of the local referees department at the JFF, Mr. Victor Stewart, he was proud of this move, and he hopes this will send a strong message to all potential abusers of referees so they know the referees will not tolerate any kind of abuse from the spectators. All right, Mr. Stewart, we agree to disagree on the importance of this move. You say it's important. I say it's much ado about nothing. And that there is still a bigger elephant in the room as it relates to local football. Everybody is talking about it except the referees, who ironically are the only ones who can do something about this excessive physicality of the league. That is much more detrimental to the football than the words of any spectator in the stands. Because if the butchering in the league continues, soon and very soon, the spectators will turn away from the football, and you, the referees, will have nobody to run out of the stands. When the right of the stands run out, the empty seat them out of the stands. So when you come out, when you're too empty, come out of the stands.